Walker AEC have been delivering high-quality, complex assemblies to the aerospace industry for over 40 years, providing components for both commercial and military aircraft. When quality is critical, Walker deliver.
We got involved in the aerospace industry in the late 1980s as we progressed through better quality systems, quality management systems. We were one of the earlier companies of our size to get what was known as BSI 5750, which has subsequently become a new ISO spec since then, and we've just been quality driven ever since. Innovation is at the top of the pile where Walker AEC is concerned. We're always looking for different ways of doing things. Our customers come to us because we will find a solution to their problems. We'll involve the workforce, we'll engage with the workforce at a very early stage in the manufacturing process so they actually buy into what we're doing. And of course we do have a company motto, which is we do actually make things happen.
Walker AEC have invested in new machines nearly on an annual basis since 2003. I'm often being asked to put budgets together to buy a new machine tool, and often we buy more than one. The investment can vary from roughly 80,000 to £250,000 to 1 year in excess of £500,000 worth of machine tools.
We work with the customer to develop some of the processes, but it means we're not having to sub work out to other companies to do a turning operation or a grinding operation, which some of our competitors have to do. So for us, that's great. It keeps the work in control in-house, and the customers like it too, which means that we can hit due dates on time and we can manage the process.
Customers who purchase our product expect quality performance to meet their needs. Once customers find a company that provides the performance they need, repeat business helps to build a strong customer base.
We take on the most difficult work. Yes, we can do washers, but we tend to take on the stuff that's very, very challenging and most of the time has a long process. Typical lead times can be anything up to 45, even 52 weeks on some of the items that we do, and they've got to be right when they go out the door. We actually supply landing gear, hydraulics and actuation components and assemblies for the aerospace industry. What we take on is highly complex. It isn't just two-part assemblies. In fact, we've got a very good reputation for bringing together some assemblies that actually contain over 3,000 parts, which is a skill in itself. 85% of our business is export, and we do some very highly critical parts for aircraft.
Throughout the manufacturing process, all aspects are inspected, and this starts with receipt of any materials that are procured in relation to aerospace contracts. Those materials are then assigned batch numbers, which provide for traceability going forward. And prior to starting any process, we conduct a first off the line inspection to ensure that all the characteristics of the design have been met and that the process remains stable going forward. Once the process is stable, then engineers will continually monitor key characteristics throughout to ensure that the design is being met. And in addition to this, all manufacturing plans are subject to an EN 9100 approved first article, which examines all aspects of a customer's order, ensuring that all aspects, whether stated or implied, have been met.
We work very closely from the point of view of when they first have a design conception, where we'll actually give advice on how a part can be manufactured, and then take it through to full production. A lot of our work these days, however, is on legacy aircraft, older aircraft, and as such, most of the design is already in place and can't be changed.
Our reputation is built on delivering highly complex components to uncompromising standards of quality. We bring together thousands of precision-engineered parts into a single certified assembly ready for high-performance flight. We offer components in a comprehensive range of materials, from aluminium alloy to titanium, suitable for the most demanding environment possible. Our products are machined and assembled by us in the UK, ensuring complete reliability and rapid reaction to any needs.
In the future, I think there's going to be a certain level of new technologies. There's going to be improvement on computer-aided design, which we've already got, simulation and 3D printing of metals. I also believe that machine centres will become a lot more advanced, a lot faster, a lot more accurate, and the same with machine tools as well. At the moment, we're already seeing an improvement of 10% on performance on machine cutting tools already, and this will improve as years go on, providing that they are used correctly at the right speeds and feeds.